Today we are going to make homemade yogurt. I'm going to show you how to make homemade yogurt in case you want to make your own yogurt in the house. So we are just going to share some few reasons why one will want to make their own yogurt instead of buying from the shop. So some of the reasons why you want to make your own yogurt is it's cheaper to make your own yogurt because the amount you will be getting from just a liter of milk compared to what you'll be buying from the shop. It's quite cheaper, so you get a lot at home to use for different recipes. And another reason is because it's healthier, because you made it and then you know everything that is in it. Because those in the shop, we don't really know what is in it. And then the other reason why you want to make your own yogurt is because yogurts in the shop have preservatives, some have additives in them, and some even have sugar as well. So these are some of the reasons why some will want to make yogurt at home. And then some other like diets that people are going on and all other things sometimes require you make your own yogurt from home so that you know what is really in it. So those are some of the reasons why you can make your own yogurt at home, and it's quite easy and quick to make yogurt at home. So first, what you need for your yogurt is you always need yogurt to make yogurt. So we have our yogurt here that we bought from the shop because we don't have any yogurt left from the last one we did. So before we can make our yogurt, we need a little bit of yogurt because of the live bacteria in it to help our milk to ferment. But when you are buying yogurt to make yogurt, try to buy organic, and then try to always buy yogurt that have live and the bio live yogurt, like it has the bacteria in it that will help your yogurt to ferment. And we have our milk here, so there's like a liter, so we will be using liter. And the milk, to try to buy organic as well, at least for your own sake. If you don't have organic, if you can't buy organic, you can buy just normal milk, but we always go for organic. So we've got our organic milk here. So all what you need to do is you get your saucepan, put your milk in your saucepan, and then bring your milk to a boil. So we are going to keep stirring it till when it's almost like boiling, then we'll off it. So this process is just to help kill any bacteria that's in the milk that we bought, and then to help it really ferment when we finish with it. So we are now going to just keep stirring and then try to bring it to a boil. Yeah, so you just bring the milk to a boil like it is now. And then you off your cooker and let your milk cool down. So this process, we have to leave the milk to cool down. You take it off the cooker and then let your milk cool down. So your milk needs to cool down to a temperature like 40 to 45 degrees. Or if you don't have a thermometer, you can use your hand. When you can put it on your wrists and then it's not burning you, then you know your milk is okay. So at the moment, what we are going to do is we're going to leave our milk to cool down, and then we'll continue with the rice. Yeah, so we've got our milk to cool down to the temperature we want. So as I said, if you don't have a thermometer, you can use your hand to test and see. So when I put it on my wrist, I can feel that it's just warm. It's not that hot to burn me. So that means that our milk is ready for the next step. So now what we are going to do is, as I said before, we need yogurt to make our yogurt. So we've got here our natural and creamy bio life yogurt. So this is just natural from the shop. So we need just a quarter cup to mix with our yogurt. Yeah, so we need like a quarter cup to mix with our yogurt. So what we will do is just add a little bit milk to it. Mix it up. And then mix it to your milk. Make sure you mix it well. So our yogurt is ready to be fermented. So we are going to ferment our yogurt for 48 hours. You can ferment it more than that if you want it really fermented. You can ferment it for 60 hours, or you can even do 12 hours if you don't want it really fermented. But we are going to do 48 hours. So close it. Make sure the lid is quite tight. And then store it in a dry, warm place for all those hours. You can even cover it with kitchen towels to make sure that it's airtight. So you can cover it with kitchen towels like this and put it in a dry, warm place for 48 hours. So we'll continue our video again from 48 hours from now. So we've got our final yogurt here. This has been fermenting for like 48 hours. And you can see how it is now. Look. That is our homemade yogurt. Oh my God, can you see that? Oh dear. So you can use this for all your like cooking, baking, for yogurt. If you want to make yogurt, you just add a bit of honey and fruits, and that is yogurt for you at home. If you want to bake, you can use it for your baking. You can use it for your smoothies, anything that you want yogurt for. You see how rich it is and easy to make yogurt from home. I'm actually happy the way it turned out. I'm so happy. And don't forget to save some for like making yogurt again if you want to make yogurt. So always remember to save at least quarter cup of the yogurt, so that when you are going to make another yogurt, that will be your starter. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And try making yogurt and give us a comment down below how it went. Thank you. Bye.